Hey guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to another episode of Summer at Michigan. Like many people, Lauren's on vacation this week, so that would be a great idea to head over to South Quad Dining Hall and talk to an expert chef to get some awesome grilling tips for this holiday weekend. So it's grilling season. Do you have any tips and tricks for people on the grill?
The key thing is make sure your grill is turned on early. Don't turn it on and then throw the product on. Just make sure everything's cleaned off. You got it cleaned off. Use a wire brush. Then take a towel, wipe off all the remnants on top. Light the grill, pull your product out. Let it get to room temperature. When you put it on the grill, it's just going to cook much more evenly.
Do you have any vegetarian or meatless options for the grilling season?
Oh, absolutely. You can do a variety of things, especially in the summertime. You have a lot of great vegetables ready to cook and grill from there. The other thing is a nice tofu. It's like a sponge.
Right.
Then just grill that up. Personally, I like to grill up some nice fresh vegetables like peppers, squash, even husks of corn.
So let's say you're invited to a potluck. What is the main top to-go dish that you would bring to that?
And especially being part of Michigan, I use potatoes and Yukon Golds. Cook them in water for about 20 minutes, cool them down. Add some peppers and onions to the dish, lime juice, just simple, nice flavor, but has a hint of smokiness. And then just kind of toss a simple vinaigrette with some cilantro. Really good, fan favorite.
So a lot of people get worried about sanitation, like when you leave your potato salad out during this grilling season. Do you have any tips for people that are worried about these things?
Yeah, absolutely. The big thing is time and temperature. You know, if you have a product out, make sure it's only out for an hour or two. If you have ice at the barbecue, for sure, just put the ice underneath.
Thanks so much for having us in the kitchen today. I really appreciate it.
There you go. Tongs are yours.
Thank you.